Hey everyone, today we're diving into a common issue that frustrates many online earners and sellers getting your PayPal money off hold. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just sold your first item on eBay, you know the drill. You get that notification, money received, and then the disappointment. It's on hold. But worry not, because I'm here to guide you through some effective steps to fix that. Let's get your hard earned money where it belongs in your wallet. First things first, let's understand why PayPal puts money on hold. It's primarily for safety reasons. Think of it as PayPal's way of making sure transactions are legit and everyone's protected. From buyer scams to preventing fraud. However, we know that doesn't make it any less annoying when you need access to your funds. Alright, on to the main event. How do you get your PayPal money off hold? Follow these steps closely. So, first step is to ensure your account is fully verified. PayPal is much more likely to release funds quickly to verified accounts. This means linking and confirming your bank account as well as adding a credit card. Now, on to the next step. If you're selling physical goods, ship them promptly and add the tracking information to the transaction on PayPal. This not only reassures your buyer that also encourages PayPal to release your funds sooner. Communication is key. Reach out to your buyers once they receive their items and ask them to confirm receipt on PayPal. This can help expedite the release of your funds. Keep your account in good standing. Avoid disputes and chargebacks by providing excellent service and clear descriptions of your products or services. Following these steps can significantly increase your chances of getting your PayPal funds released sooner. Remember, PayPal's policies are there to protect everyone involved, but that doesn't mean your money should be out of your reach. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be in the same boat. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.